Hello, everyone. Oh my gosh, I can hardly believe this is the final module lecture. So I'm so thrilled to have met all of you. I am very grateful to have met you, and I wish you great success in your coming years, certainly in your education, furthering your education and your careers. So I would like to offer you a few things. So I want to share my screen just to show you where we are now with this module. We're in our final module. So we have the review sheet that is due on the 22nd or by the 22nd. You can do it beforehand, that's fine. I'm going to publish the exam now, so it's available for you to take at any time. But I certainly encourage you to complete the lecture and all the coursework for module 14 and 15 before you get started in the final module. You want to have all that coursework done. Be sure your review sheet is populated. And then as soon as you've submitted that review sheet, please just go right ahead and take that exam. And I think you'll do quite well with it. So after the exam, please do complete the course reflection post. I'm just going to go ahead and publish both of these now. I would just like to know some basic information. What went well in the course? What did you enjoy the most? And how can the course be improved? I really want to make this the best course it can be. How can it be improved? And have you made any decision from your original post early in the course? Have you decided to change your major or minor to entrepreneurship? I'm curious about that, just to see if the course had any impact on you changing your major or minor to entrepreneurship. So would you please just put in that information? The other thing I ask you to do is once you've done this reflection post about the course, please do go and take the spool. And it is the student perception of learning. I'm sure you have lots of notices about it. Please do take that and complete that information. It's important to me. It's also very important to the School of Entrepreneurship to see that what we're doing, if we're doing things well. So please take a moment to fill that out. I would greatly appreciate it. And I wish you great success in your endeavors with entrepreneurship or just having those entrepreneurial skills to help you in a career choice. I do hope to see you again. I am teaching in the fall. If you do like the shortened semester, the A or the B term, please, I am teaching entrepreneurship and creativity in both section A and B. And they're only 8 weeks. They're a little bit longer than the summer courses, so there's a little bit more content. It is a fun, action-packed course. We do a lot of teamwork. We do a lot of building. There's a lot of hands-on activities in that course, and I think you will enjoy it immensely. So please go ahead and sign up for those. They are Thursday evening from 5:30 to 8:30. I will probably end a little earlier, but they start at 5:30. And they are so much fun. Students love that course. I'm also teaching Scaling Ventures, which is a senior level course. If you're interested in that, I have a little bit of availability available. I have one spot open in the Tuesday, Thursday, 10:30 timeframe, and then 2 spots open in the 12 p.m. timeframe, Tuesday, Thursday. These class sizes may be expanded to 35. That's usually how it works, but just in case, if you are interested, I would love to see you again in another course. And please keep me in mind if you need a letter of recommendation. I'm very happy to provide you with that. I look forward to seeing you again, and I do hope to see you again. Thank you so much, everyone.